Hello, hello. Whether you're listening live or to the recording, a warm welcome to you. This is a short round of tapping and also an invitation to several things coming up. Let's see. Tomorrow, we're doing the Magic of Letting Go clutter clearing event from noon to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And this is just a really great way to get it done. If you've been struggling to do things, to take action on things that are important, it may be clutter clearing physically or emotionally, or, finishing a project. Um, we'll do some tapping to clear resistance, set intentions, and then there's a whole get it done section where you can get things done, and then we debrief at the end. It's super fun. Um, Also, I'm doing my first event at Omega Institute, my first solo retreat, June the 7th, and I'll put the details below. Tap into miracles, love, abundance. It's going to be really fun and cathartic and, a real kind of up-leveling of life. So to clear out the anger, the grief, the fear, the anxiety, whatever it is you've been carrying around, so that you can relax and expand your capacity to receive. And there'll be tapping, there'll be dance, hypnosis, amongst other things. Super excited. What else? Oh, this Wednesday, join us for the Abundance membership. It's twice a month, Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Pacific. It's recorded if you can't be on live, but it's again a really nice way to reset. We do meditation, writing to the divine, tapping, abundance tapping. Then there's dance, and there's a get it done section in that too. I'll put the links below. So reach out if you have questions or you need support. And we're going to do a round of clearing blocks to procrastination, to sabotage, any resistance to taking action. And Barbie, would you like to unmute and just tell me in a nutshell what you want to let go of and bring in? I know you were mentioning decision fatigue, which can be very common. You just get overwhelmed and you maybe a bit frozen, right? When it comes to doing anything.
Yeah, so I'd love to tap into all of what you mentioned for procrastination,
Yes.
for yes, all of it. Uh, Overwhelm. I don't even remember what you just said, but
Yeah, the
procrastination,
resistance.
resistance, yes.
Yeah, what
Procrastination,
number?
resistance, decision fatigue, that umbrella, and let go of any of those blocks and bring in self-love and then outside, going outside and getting it done.
What number is that? 0 to 10.
Oh, truly, it feels like a 9.5.
And the primary emotion?
Fear
And where do you feel that in your body?
in my lower back and like in my lower back and like across the chest.
Mm, okay. All right. Have you been drinking plenty of water?
Nope.
Okay. Hydrate, hydrate. Um, are you feeling stressed about money?
I am, but I'm not.
Okay.
It's not at the forefront of my mind. It's more so like I'm anxious to spend the money, and I'm scared like if I don't like it that I have to return it. But it's no, I'm not stressed about money.
Great. Okay. Let's tap. Even though part of me has all this resistance to taking action,
Even though part of me has all of this resistance to taking action like all of the time.
all this overwhelm,
The ridiculous amount of overwhelm,
this decision fatigue.
the decision fatigue, and not knowing where to start. Like I could make a list
Mm.
and like I'll put the importance 1 to 5 and doesn't even matter. I'll, just not do anything on it.
And I don't know how to let this go.
I don't know how to let this go, man.
Part of me doesn't feel safe.
Part of me doesn't feel safe.
I feel like I can't relax about this,
I feel like I can't relax about this.
and I have to be on guard.
I have to be on guard,
But I accept who I am,
accept who I am,
and I appreciate my feelings.
I appreciate my feelings. What do you want, Google? Hi.
Deep breath. Even though I have all this resistance to taking action,
Even though I have all this resistance to taking action,
and I don't know how I can let it go.
I have absolutely no idea how I can let it go besides obviously tapping.
I wonder who I'd be without this resistance.
Wonder who I'd be without this resistance.
And I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself anyway.
I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself anyway.
Deep breath. Even though I have all this resistance and overwhelm,
Even though I have all this resistance and overwhelm,
I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself anyway.
I deeply and profoundly love and accept myself anyway.
Deep breath. And then we're going to the eyebrows. All this resistance to taking action.
All this resistance to taking action,
All this resistance to taking action.
all this resistance to taking action.
I'm so overwhelmed.
So overwhelmed.
I'm so fatigued.
I'm so fatigued.
Go away.
Go away.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
Back off.
Back off.
Part of me just wants to hide out.
Part of me really just wants to hide out.
Are you tired?
Actually not tired. Like it's
Okay.
I've
Have
slept
a little
better.
vent. Have a
I've
vent.
slept better.
Yep. Tell
I
me a bit
got a
about the
lot of
resistance.
sleep. I got a lot of sleep, but the resistance, it's just, I don't know, it feels polar. It's like pulling my back out. Not physically, but it's just, I don't know, it's just like living in my body. And it's like I have all these decisions that I want to make, like planning trips or what day I want to travel, and, just so many different layers, and I just can't make the decisions.
Mm. It's so overwhelming.
It's so overwhelming.
All this fear and anxiety,
All this fear and anxiety,
all this pressure to take action.
all this pressure to take action. Can I vent? Like,
Yeah.
can I add one more thing? Like, also, like, as I like try to like clear out my closet, there's all these sales happening. I'm like, oh, like, I want this. Like, and then I'm like, I want this. I want this. I'm like, do I need this?
Mm.
So that, like, kind of like is also that it's the decision fatigue. It's like trying
Yeah.
to be practical and being like, yes, this is on sale, but do you need this? Are you going to incorporate this? Like, is this a practical choice? So
Mm.
that I am not in the future scared of being, worried about money.
Yeah, I find the power of pausing is good or waiting
Yes.
24 hours to see if you really want that thing.
Yes.
All this confusion.
All this confusion, especially on up leveling. It's like I know that I deserve to have nice things and to up level the quality in my life.
Mm.
Um, but will I use it is the question.
Yes. I'd really like to simplify
I'd really like to simplify
and let go of being general manager of the
and
universe
let go of being general manager of the universe
and give all these burdens and fears and worries to the divine.
and give all these fears, worries, all of the things that I don't need to stress over to the divine.
I do not need to do this all by myself.
I really don't need to do this all by myself. And I know that.
It is safe to relax about everything,
Totally safe to relax about everything,
to trust the divine order of life,
to trust the divine order of life.
that good comes out of these challenges,
That good truly does come out of these challenges,
and that good lies before me,
and that good lies before me,
and that everything is working out for my highest good.
and that everything does work out for my highest good.
It's safe to relax and enjoy the journey,
It's safe to relax and enjoy the journey.
listening to my inner wisdom.
And just listening to my inner wisdom that I know that I have a lot of.
I know what to do.
I really do know what to do.
I call my power back
I'm calling power back
from all dimensions of time and space.
from all dimensions of time and space.
It's safe to take action.
It's safe to take action.
I'm allowed to take action.
I'm allowed to take action.
I deserve to take action.
I deserve to take action.
It feels so good to take action.
It feels so good to take action.
I love taking action.
I love taking action.
It feels so good to move in the direction of my dreams.
It feels so good to move in the direction of my dreams.
I love being me.
I love being me.
I'm expanding my capacity to let go
I'm expanding my capacity to let go
of that which no longer serves me.
of that which no longer serves me.
To trust, yeah, go on.
And also like letting go of old things so that I can bring new things in.
Yes. Yeah, making space for magic.
Making space for magic.
Letting go of that which no longer serves me,
Letting go of that which no longer serves me.
so I can actually make space for the things that really matter.
So I can make space for the things that truly matter.
I love letting go.
I love letting go.
It feels so good to take action.
It feels so good to take action.
Anything else you want to let go of or bring in?
Just letting go of fear, just fear and overwhelm that becomes paralyzing,
Mm,
and just looking at the sky and looking at the beauty of nature and letting it calm me.
letting go of fear,
Letting go of fear,
letting go of confusion and
letting
over,
go of the confusion and overwhelm,
letting go of any anger or frustration about the situation,
letting go of any anger or frustration about the situations,
letting go of this loss of power,
letting go of this loss of power,
calling my power back.
calling all my power back.
I love taking the next right action.
I love taking the next right action.
I trust my gut feeling.
I trust my gut feeling.
I know what to do.
I really do know what to do.
I'm making space for magic.
I'm making space for magic.
I'm making space for my dreams.
I'm making space for my dreams.
It's safe to take action.
It's safe to take action.
Expanding my capacity to receive
Expanding my capacity to receive
a new level of support,
a new level of support,
love, and abundance.
love, and abundance.
I love being me.
I love being me.
I love feeling good about who I am.
I love feeling good about who I am.
And I take things one step at a time.
I take things one step at a time.
I'm letting go of this struggle.
I'm letting go of the struggle.
What if it could be easy?
What if it could be easy?
What if it could be fun?
What if it could be fun?
I'm so excited to take the next right action.
I'm so excited to take the next right action.
It's such a relief to get it done.
It's such a relief to get it done.
I am ready now.
I'm ready now.
Life loves me.
Life loves me.
The best is yet to come.
The best is yet to come.
Hands on your heart, 3 deep breaths. Tuning in 0 to 10, this fear and resistance.
Fear and resistance. I think it's come down to an 8. No, no, no. Definitely lower. I would say like a 7.
That's still quite high. What's going on?
I don't
What's making it so high?
I don't know.
Well,
Guilt.
good that you went from a 9.5 to a 7. What
I
do you,
think I know. It's
yeah?
guilt and shame. Guilt and shame that I haven't like gone out and like enjoyed the day yet, and it's like beautiful, and that I haven't done a few things yet. It's like the guilt that I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to do that in my next right action.
Are you going to go outside?
Yes, I am
Great.
going to put some sunscreen on and, do that. It's just, I think I have guilt and shame that, like, it takes me so long to, like, get ready for, like, rather than a normal person.
Mm, let's just do a quick round. All this guilt and shame
All
about
this
what
guilt
I
and
did
shame
or
about
didn't do.
what I did or didn't do.
All this guilt because I should be further ahead.
All this guilt because I should be further ahead.
I should have done it differently.
I should have done it differently.
Should have been outside by now.
Should have been outside by now.
All this judgment and criticism,
All this judgment and criticism.
this turning against myself.
It's turning against myself.
It's exhausting.
It really is exhausting.
And I've suffered enough about this.
I've heard enough about this.
I forgive myself completely
I forgive myself completely
for everything I did or didn't do.
for everything I did or didn't do.
And I set myself free.
And I set myself free.
And I move in the direction of my dreams.
And I move in the direction of my dreams.
I love taking action.
I love taking action.
I'm ready to go outside.
I'm ready to go outside and to do what I need to do.
Move my body.
Move my body.
Life loves me.
Life loves me.
Everything's working out for me.
Everything is working out for me.
How's that feel?
It feels a lot better. I feel like
Okay,
I've gone
good.
down to a 5.
Excellent. I'm excited about this new chapter.
I'm excited about this new chapter.
I am ready now.
I'm ready now.
Life loves me.
Life loves me.
Hands on your heart, 3 deep breaths. Breathing in divine love into your mind, into your heart, into each and every cell of your body, showering yourself with tremendous love and compassion. Everything is working out in divine timing. You're exactly where you're meant to be and taking things one step at a time. You know what to do. Great work, Bobby. Any final questions, thoughts, comments?
Thank you. That's my comment.
You are so welcome. So I'll put the links below if you'd like to join us for the Abundance membership or the Magic of Letting Go tomorrow, clutter clearing event, or the retreat at Omega. And please reach out if you need extra support on my website. Sending much love. Drink lots of water.